How to add a YouTube description. This is one a lot of businesses forget about, and trust me, you don't want to. A well-written YouTube channel description helps you demonstrate why users want to watch your content and subscribe to your channel. It gives you a chance to give them the background of your business in a way you might not be able to do efficiently in a future video. To do that, just go to your YouTube channel and click Customize Channel. On the next page, you can click About and then click Channel Description, where you can copy and paste your channel description text. Your channel description should explain what your business is and what you can offer users on your YouTube channel. When you are done, just click Done. And that's all. When you go to your YouTube channel now and click About, you will see your channel description. You just learned how to add description to a YouTube channel. See you in the next video.